all framed up and completely ready for trusses. So I wanted to give you a little tour of our house. This is the front door that I'm looking at. Over here's the garage. So everything is framed and sheeted on the outside. We're expecting trusses in a few days. So how about a tour? This is our entryway. This is our great room that has a whole bunch of support pieces in right now. See that, all that lumber right in the middle? That's to hold up the trusses. They won't be there when we're finished. This room is a little over 1,000 square feet. So all of that will be out. It's a fireplace over there. Let's take a look down the hallway. This is a playroom. Sorry about the sun. This is a bedroom. Walk-in closet over there. And back out into the hallway. This is the main bathroom. That's the bathtub we bought today. It's gonna go over here. Bathtub, toilet, sink. Farther down the hall we have a second bedroom, same size, with the walk-in closet over there. Farther down the hallway we have our third bedroom. Gonna have to walk in here on a zigzag. This one has 2 windows, and the walk-in closet sticks out into the room right there. There's the door. Okay, back out of this bedroom. The last room, oh, there's the water heater closet right there, just little. We're gonna stick the water heater back in there. And then at the end of the hall, oh, we have a board across our door. This is a bathroom. So there'll be a shower in that corner and a sink right there, and then this little area will have a pocket door right there. And this is where the toilet will be. And then this one actually has a door to the exterior out to the porch, so that when we're coming in and we're dirty, the kids can come in through this bathroom. Okay, so let's head back down the hallway. And back into the great room. And check out the other side. This is going to be our office and homeschool room. Our table is going to go in this corner of the great room, and the kitchen will be in that corner. Then that's the back doors to the deck, 2 big windows, and the living room will be on that side with the fireplace over there. And then there's an opening here in between the dining and the kitchen. Takes us down another hallway. The door you run into first is the pantry, and there's our crawl space hole. So our pantry is quite big. I like to do food storage, but the stairs will go up over there, I'll show you in a minute, that kind of take out a big chunk of this, so it's not going to be as big as it looks. This is the master bedroom with French doors out to our master deck out here that is connected over there to the back deck. And then right here in the corner, go through this door into our master bathroom. here. And then through the bathroom into our master closet right here. We had kind of a funny notch right there. Oh, niche, they wrote it. Okay, so I'm gonna go back out of the master bathroom, through the master bedroom, back into that hallway. There was the pantry that we saw. On the opposite side is the laundry room, right here. And then this right here is where the stairs are gonna go up. Okay, so you're gonna walk in here. See, that's the pantry that we're over now, and the stairs are gonna go straight up, and our bonus room is gonna be right above the pantry and master bathroom area. And that's all. It's about a 400 square foot room. Back out into the hallway, the last room is a little bathroom right here with a nook for a shower. And then at the end of this hall is the doorway to the garage.